morning. Okay, let's actually get started now. Let's review our homework. So, homework was drawing conclusions. So, a conclusion is a smart guess that a reader makes using story clues. So, something that the writer has not said directly, but you make a conclusion or an assumption based on the ideas that they have told you. Raise your hand. Who can tell me? What conclusion did you draw? What conclusion did you make about where they were going? Billy, what did you think?
I think they are going to the swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Very good. Well done, Billy. So the conclusion that I've also made is that either they're going to the beach or they are going to a swimming pool, or we could have even said they are going swimming. Now I want to ask you, how did you make this conclusion? What made you think that? Han.
Because the detail number one is Josh wake up early on Saturday morning and look outside. The sun was hot.
Very good. Perfect. So one detail from the story is that it's a hot day. The sun was out and it was hot. Okay, so the writer's telling us it's a sunny day and it's very hot. And on a sunny day when it's hot, usually people like to go swimming or to the beach. Good girl, hun. What's another detail that you got? Winter. Can you tell me?
Josh, Dad said, get a towel, and he get the towel and left the house.
Very good. Well done. So another detail is that they are grabbing a towel. He said, don't forget to bring a towel. Now, we need to bring a towel with us when we're going to the beach or the swimming pool because it's what we use to dry ourselves off after we're in the pool. Amazing. Is there another detail that anyone can think of? Kimmy, what was another detail you had?
Josh woke up early on Saturday morning and looked outside the window.
Good girl. Lovely. So we've already got that one. So let's have a look at the examples given on the screen. So the second detail was his dad said, it's a perfect day. A perfect day for what? Well, if the sun is out and it's hot, it sounds like a perfect day to go to the pool or go to the beach. And the third detail we have here is Josh grabbed a towel. And as I said before, we need to have a towel when we're going to the beach or the pool to help us dry ourselves off. So really good work on your homework, guys. I'm very impressed. Shout out especially to Trixie and Winter. So well done, guys. You're very good. All right, so enough about homework. Let's get started. So today we are learning about opinion writing. So opinion writing is all about what you think. So have a look here. Can everyone say together? I'm going to unmute you all so I can hear you. Can everyone say together? 1, 2, 3. My opinion
tells
what I like best,
I like
how
best
I feel about something,
what I think about something.
Perfect. Great reading. Well done. Okay, so opinion writing. Well, an opinion is what you like best, how you feel about something, and what you think about something. Are everyone's opinions going to be the same? Han.
No, because if talk about soups, some people like soup, but some doesn't.
Very good. Some don't. Some don't. Very good, Han. That's a great example. Some people love to eat tomato soup, pumpkin soup, chicken soup, but some people cannot stand soup. And that's just who we are as humans. We all have different things that we like. Sometimes we like different colors, different music, different movies. So your opinion is only subjective to you. It only is your opinion. Okay? So someone could have the complete opposite opinion of you. For example, have a look. Oh, a very cute little food screen. Now, I have a question for everyone that I want everyone to answer. What is the best tasting food in the world? What is the best tasting food in the world? What do you think? So everyone should have different answers. Maybe some people will have the same. Let's find out. Please click the raise your hand button. Winter, tell me, what do you think is the best tasting food in the world?
I think that fruit is the best.
Fruit is the best. Perfect. Can you tell me a specific fruit? Like, is it apple, pineapple, watermelon?
I think an orange and a banana.
Very good. Okay, perfect, Winter. That's your opinion. Great. Baldy, can you tell me what is the best tasting food in the world?
I have two best tasting foods in the world. First is ice creams and with strawberry and banana flavor.
Yum.
And my other best tasting food is bananas.
Yum. Okay, so you've got a sweet one there, and then a banana is quite a healthy one. Perfect. So banana, that's what Winter said also. So banana's a popular one. Thank you, Baldy. Okay, Hun, can you tell me what do you think is the best tasting food in the world?
I think that it's chocolate mint and a cookie and cream ice cream.
Oh,
Because
ice cream has come up before. Ice cream is very good, especially on a hot summer's day. Thank you, Hun. Okay, Billy, how about you?
I like fried chicken and chocolate flavored ice cream.
Okay, so that's 3 people who have said ice cream. Fried chicken is also a good one. Many people love when they get KFC for dinner. What a treat. Okay, thank you, Billy. Okay, I think the best tasting food in the world for me would be pizza with lots of vegetables or a chocolate bar. I love to eat chocolate. So here, this is a perfect example. Everyone's opinions are going to be different. Not everyone is going to feel the same, think the same, or like the same things. Let's get started on the lesson. Okay, so today we're learning about response paragraphs and how to write one. Firstly, we need to know what a response paragraph is. So who can read for me? I would like Cherry. Cherry, please can you read this page for me?
A response paragraph is a style of writing in which you are sharing your reaction to something.
Yep, and the next part, it's an opportunity.
It's an opportunity to let the world know how you feel about something.
Perfect, good girl. Lovely reading. Thank you, Cherry. So a response paragraph is opinion writing. You are responding to something that you have read with your opinion, okay? So for example, have a look at this cute little picture here. Here we have lots of sushi, and it's saying sushi is the best. That's their opinion, okay? That is their reaction to my question. What is the best food in the world? Now, what makes a great response paragraph? Let's have a look. Here is the writer's checklist for what makes the best response paragraph. Firstly, the writer states an opinion about a story or an article. So as I said, when you're making a response paragraph, you are responding or reacting to something that you have already read. So you start with making your opinion. I think that Harry Potter is a great book. The writer includes details and examples from the story or article to tell more about the opinion. So here you could say, Harry Potter is a great book because it's so interesting. It helps students or children get away from reality, and it gets them into another fairy tale world. The writer leaves out details and examples that do not tell more about the opinion. So there's no point in adding in random details that don't actually tell more about the opinion. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to look at an example of a good response paragraph. Have a look. Now, before we do that, this response paragraph is a response to Cinderella stories. A Cinderella story is basically a story about someone who doesn't have a good relationship with their family. Maybe their family doesn't treat them well, but usually in the end, they escape their mean and horrible family and live a happy life. Now, Cinderella stories are not just subject to this one story. There are many different Cinderella stories all over the world. Same storyline, but different characters. Now, let's have a look at this person's response paragraph to Cinderella stories. Okay, so this is a really good response paragraph because here the opinion is stated very clearly at the beginning. Reading a lot of different Cinderella stories can be a fun way to learn about places around the world. Then they go on, why do I think this? So again, they're moving from the introduction into their opinion. They give lots of details and examples that tell more about why they have this opinion. Why do I think this? Well, the author says that the different versions of the story fit the time and the place where the first stories were told, and the stories can help me learn what people in different places care about and value. So this is a great response, please. Okay, let's have a look at the second one. Okay, so the second paragraph has a completely different opinion here. The first paragraph, this person seems to really enjoy reading Cinderella stories. They think it can help them learn about different cultures and different places. But author number 2 says authors should stop writing new Cinderella stories. Here, this is also a good opinion piece, as they have clearly stated their opinion in the first line. Authors should stop writing new Cinderella stories because the world already has enough stories about this character. Then they go on to give more details and examples that tell about their opinion. There are over 700 Cinderella stories. They're saying that the first Cinderella stories were very old and that they want authors to write new stories about different people to change it up a bit. Who can tell me, why is there a line through this sentence? I wonder how many Cinderella stories are in the school library. Why does this not fit in the opinion piece? What is wrong with this? Is it giving us more about the opinion? Does it tell us more examples or details about the opinion? No, I can see lots of heads shaking. No, it does not. That's why we don't need it. It does not tell more facts about the opinion. It doesn't give any more details. In fact, it's quite a random thought, so we don't need to have that in there. We only want our opinions and details and examples that tell us more about that opinion. Okay, let's have a little practice. Okay, so number 1, opinion. Who can read the opinion and details? Rosie, please can you read the opinion and details for number 1?
Opinion. I will make a great pilot someday.
What is a pilot?
I think it's like someone who on an airplane and drive it.
Good girl. It's someone who drives an airplane. Good girl, Rosie. Okay, so I will make a great pilot someday. Details.
Details. I am good at science and math. I don't mind small space. I love my pet collie.
Collie. So a collie is a type of dog. Thank you, Rosie. Okay, who can tell me? We've got 3 details here that are meant to support the opinion. Which detail does not support the opinion? Kimmy.
The sentence, I love my pet collie.
Good girl. That is a very random thought. It doesn't give us any more details about the opinion. It is unimportant and does not tell more about the opinion. So we need to get rid of that. Good girl, Kimmy. Now, before we have a look at our homework, have a look at these. These are opinion sentence starters. Here we have, I prefer, I feel, I think, I know, in my opinion, the best thing about, the greatest part about, the worst part about, everyone should, blah is better than blah because, and if you liked blah, then you will love blah. Now we can use these opinion sentence starters to help us get our point of view across clearer and better. So I would like you to use these sentences in your homework, which we're going to look at now. Okay, so this weekend, we've got quite an interesting homework. So what you're going to do is you're going to read a story called My Secret Bully. what I'm going to do is I'm going to email a link of a YouTube video with a woman who reads the story to you at a very nice pace, and it's very clear to see the words in the book, so you can read along and listen to her. So you're going to write an opinion piece on the book, My Secret Bully. You're going to use this graphic organizer on the right to answer the question. I'm going to stop sharing with you, and I'm going to say goodbye to you all. Goodbye,
Goodbye.
wonderful students. I will see you on Monday